Bitcoin sell is looking marvelous, and stress you out because like you're right on that move, and then something that's out of your control is then now what kept you out of the actual move that you studied and got right. And I said bots stop loss is gonna get hit when we're all up here. Look what the fuck's happening. Can't make that up. So we would have banked on that, but whatever. Like I said, it's just scarring really to remember I'm going to get out like an hour and a half, 2 hours early when for my mistake. That's why I'm doing this. And damn, the scratch it. This shit a little large. We're going to like this. There you guys see, look at that. We had this gap being filled. This is exactly what we want going on. It's a simple ass trade. On market opens, usually Sundays, you get a gap, and the gap gets filled regardless. I've never seen a gap not get filled. Sometimes it takes longer than others, but this one, if you look at it, even I got in there before even, and I have a small one up here still, and then with that open, I can get that deposit done real quick. That way I can get this account back up, and we can get it going to $1,000. So it's our goal for the night, $5 to 1,000. I'm sorry, up on YouTube, so I guess. Alright, what the fuck I'm doing. This shit is a little major though, and it something like that happens. I haven't been stuck in a fucking trade with a weekend like that in years of my life. Okay. We are actually nice. I don't know if these people. Alright, let's just watch that price. And so far so good. It's beautiful. To adjust this. This is looking a little off, man. That's better. Oops. Yeah, so far so good. We're essentially just looking to recover, and then take our money right out of NASDAQ and throw it in some actual currency pairs. And obviously be very short-term scalping because it's going to be bullshit. Australian session right now, we're going to go into Asian. But I'm going to be out before Australian with this little scalp. Obviously take profits right here on this grab liquidity. Why? Because look, oh yeah, you have people right here that are like, oh, they're thinking it has to fill the whole gap. Look, the gap can be right here filled. It happens sometimes. Look, let's check it out. In a way, right here, still kind of hit this in a way that's not as perfect. Let's see. That was major right here. This had to have been fundamentally driven. I think we had news during that. Something like this. Yeah, let's get that back from what the market finessed from us. It wasn't a losing trade. I don't count it as one because I was attempting to exit the market at the right time. If you don't believe me, check out the last stream. You can see near the end of it when the market was beginning to open and how I explained what happened and how I'm not happy about what may happen. 5 minutes after market open, they were letting me do nothing. Since market closed, the market's flying around. That shit's open, man. It's like, how do you open it late and close it early? And other times, I've been with KOT for 5 years.
So yeah, when I'm able to here shortly, I got my friend dropping off my wallet. When he does that, we're gonna just do a small deposit of 25. It should come to like 20 afterwards. I've never done a $20 deposit, but I'm not willing to deposit much. But I'm also not okay with it. Not it doesn't it's not counted as my trading plan because it wasn't my fault at all. Just avoidable. You leave the market 2 hours early. There's not much going on anyways at the end. Sometimes you'll get some push-ups, push-downs, but it don't matter.
Alright, as we can see, prices, like I said before, when I got back, it's obviously heading back in the right direction. That's why I started a small deposit to just flip this real quick, because we have this gap right here, and I lost that last one for reasons that weren't my fault. Like, that's the first time ever a trade was like completely not my fault. I'll let you know when that clears. Right now, I'm working with cleared. We got that back in. That will pull back, and then we'll set take profit. So now we'll be rocking and rolling. Yeah, look at that. Literally, that's not even take profit. Damn. Yeah. We hit GPU literally on this one right here, and we got 161. That's what I'm talking about. See, that's why I'm not playing, because this little 20, we get 161, and we call it for the night. That's a high probable move we have going on too. I didn't realize we were working with that type shit. That's fire. That's fire. Not gonna lie. And all the take profit is just the filling of that main gap. That's 161 bucks for an easy move. Fuck yeah. We'll throw down a fucking, and we're not getting greedy. Once we hit a certain amount, we're getting initial investment back, and then we'll redo. But right here, we're gonna value this. So we're going like this. We're hitting this up like this. We're hitting this up. Oh, I'm tripping. On my back. I'm getting excited. Sorry about that goddamn noise. Just talking very loud for no reason. So yeah, this is a realistic move. I need to be a little bit lower than the actual lows, because of grab liquidity reasons. But we have this set up. I think I actually have that a little too far down. Yeah, it's okay. This top was back up. That's okay. A little below it. We're looking at it here. We got a risk to reward of 2.19. So it's wow. Yeah. And that's for one. See, I could do all this. There's no reason to right now. I'm just trying to show you guys this right here. Yeah, it's looking like 24 bucks to 160 in this move is coming up. It's a nice recovery.
first trade of the night. We're looking like we're filling this gap for a few other reasons, and also first one, the P&Ls would be 161, 2, 7. So 161 would be a banger, and it's not even like it's too unlikely. It's not even that unlikely at all. We have the gap of liquidity, which it's most like predominant magnet right now. So after the bullshit fucked us up, closing early, we gotta come back. And it's like, look at this, and I don't even think about it anymore, to be honest. Look, gap, it filled almost. Look right here, who's this? Fat ass grab of liquidity. How do I check? Well, so this is how I answer your question. There's a grab of liquidity. Let's back this shit up. After we have that mark, we have it backed up. Holy cow. Holy cow. It's not like it's just magic, it's bounced off it. 1, 2, I got 2 in that circle. Right here it had some form of consolidation with the reaction to the downside. And I move this over. And it's not even like it's like, oh, like has to be today. Like we could have those be from years ago even. Okay. We're looking at it on the 4-hour. I was looking at it on the 4-hour. We have this right here. I mean, these two are already marked. Tweaking. That should away. Get the paintbrush away. Alright. My bad, yo. Kind of new trade locker. Look. Right here. Bink, bink, bink. We do consolidation within the area and reactions. Huge consolidation within here, so that's confirmed an area of liquidity. And what it do with the area, it drew down to it. Right there. We'll de-risk some here in a second if need be. We'll do so to be safe. While it's cheaper. Nah, we're good. We're gonna hold it out. We're good. I'm kind of liking the low volume right now because we have the push, we have the gap that it's gonna get filled, going to get filled. In the meantime, let's check out that damn trading bot that was losing. Trading bot was taking L's. This one. Okay, I see. Very lucky. Very lucky. He got hit. Literally should have hit his TP. I mean, his stop loss. It's about to hit his TP now. Finally. Let's check out what we're doing right here. Beautiful. Nope. I don't like that form of rejection. So you minimize risk. to minimize a little bit of this too, tiny bit. I'm gonna go grab this heater real quick right across the room and get it back good. Yeah. Yeah, run this 20. I'm pretty sure run this 20 out 2. Damn. Damn, it's 150. So let's do it today. What's up, though? Like, comment. Damn, after we flopped that last one due to reasons that are unforsaken. Like, nobody watching shit now, but that's okay. There'll be people watching it once we start hitting this. And it's real smart to do what I've learned in my strategy. I don't see many people really do it. It's like, so with my entry right here, I really wasn't in the right or the wrong. It was a smarter thing to do to take some risk off. So it cost me 80 cents to close. I don't remember how many, about 80 cents. And I closed out a fair amount of them. So that way, if the market were to be more out of my favor than what it was becoming, you can minimize that risk. And it's been working well. What the hell is that? minimize a little more. That look crazy right there. We're adding different things. We just add a light for y'all. I like halo light. Let me check it out. See how it is. Looks decent. I think it's fire. It's a little bright in my eyes, but it is what it is. And look, with me minimizing risk was $2. So with 25 bucks, it's a fair amount of percentage, but it's not as much as it could be if it just stops out.
Thanks for bringing that stuff earlier, guys.
That's what I'm fucking talking about. Little drawdowns, nothing for a pimp. $3 de-risk for not blowing the account. That's how you finesse leverage. Finesse leverage with draws on liquidity. Because leverage withdrawals of liquidity are designed to stop you out if you don't go through and manage it. But you have to be in the right. If you're not in the right, it's going to continue that direction. But now this is what I was waiting for. I was waiting for the actual reversal, which I believe already started. I'm going to call a little early, and then I'm not calling the stream early, but I'm going to call the reversal early, which is happening, and I'm going to run to the restroom real quick. That's what I was holding in. Also, what do you guys think about the light? I have a little halo light right here. Might as well add a little bit of lighting and be a little fucked up. It's just a little bright in my eyes, but I have to deal with it. It's a shitty part of welding. Okay. That'd be the last time I trade Easter. Just bullshit volume. Did some research on it before and said it wouldn't. So. Meanwhile, I'm gonna check out some other pairs that are in my interest. That are within my interest on the on here. We're checking that too to see how that Bitcoin says. Yeah, we'll keep it up. I still believe it's got to fill this gap, and I believe it's going to fill this gap within a reasonable time. If you look right here, yeah, we still have this gap liquidity right here, which is clean. Sydney session is going, Tokyo session's about to start, so it's pre-market manipulation in my opinion. If it's going to happen, it happens in the beginning of every session. It's the beginning of a session right now. I hope you guys are picking this up. See, it's heading back in my direction. I did not de-risk. Just had a crazy idea, and I was like, it's probably the worst thing I could do in life. It's not in regard to trading, it's just something kind of entertaining on the live stream, which says to get more of a following, I'll do. You guys just gotta keep going. See, I was right. Look at that. I'm not trying to say that to be wrong or not. It's just there's times where you see it coming back down like that, and you really second guess yourself, but you need to get past that. It's trying to save you. Yo, I do this shit every day. Look, it's great. Not lying, I'm not even being sarcastic or anything. It's going great. I'm still exhausted already from how much teaching I've been doing so far. So I'm gonna, now we're kind of like in a low part of the stream. There's not many people. I'm gonna chill. As we get people again, I'll answer questions. This light's bright, y'all. I got it. I don't know how people do that. They stream light, man. That shit's bright as hell. I turn it down. She's brighter than fuck. It's like fucks with me reading the charts. And hold the 0.5 fib. I do risk a little more. I have no problem with that. touching the zone again. Yeah, we got just a few things in there. And look at that. Let's look up liquidity. Tapping the previous day lows. Gucci. I don't even want to do this. Now they're down like 100 for the first trade, which is okay. That's what, by the end of, by like near the end or halfway of Tokyo, that's when I'm trying to not be in the markets anyways. I gotta be up for work. Checking out the chats to see what's popping. See, I'm showing. And then it's going my way. Using the highest amount of margin I can. Well, also de-risking when I need to then make this money go longer. So there you go. I double-clicked something and for some reason opened it over there. So thank God it wasn't that crazy. Kick's lacking today, and Kick and Twitch is lacking. YouTube did well. They're about to all be doing well once they see this. Use full screen to do this. Trying to change the name over on this bullshit. Oh, okay, I think it was. Yep, here. We got it. Alright, guys. That little bit, sometimes like for that little bit that you de-risked, you can actually throw it back in because it didn't withstand insane amount of moves. So that being said, I'm gonna go back for that. That's valid right here. Let's add it in just a point two more. she's near. Sorry, as my mic cuts out every once in a while, I'm just muting it before someone interrupts. I just don't play this shit. This is work, and it's taking me as serious as I take it, and you guys should do the same. So don't play no shit with nobody fucking with you. They'll come around asking you for money once they see you're doing well, so fuck them. Doji candle. If anybody didn't know, this right here is a doji candle. People see this as manipulation. Oh my god, bro. A bearish engulfing candle. So a bearish engulfing candle off the gap that's near about to be filled, and also a gap of liquidity right here, which is very strong. I don't think so. W's in the chat, y'all. If y'all think we can hit this 1,000 tonight, we can easily. I don't know if you guys know about 500. As you can see, it's using $10, and you can see what it's fluctuated. So it's used $10 and it's gone down this much. That's -7. So you can see kind of what's going on here. This right here. We got a hammer. There's a hammer. Shooting star would be the opposite of a hammer. Nah, that's super good to fill this gap. Honestly, I'm not gonna be greedy. We're gonna take profit after the gap. That's what mostly even ever happens. Straight up, to be honest. Yeah, to be honest, we're gonna take profit at the top of that gap. I don't give a fuck. And the next one, like right here. Third one, up there. No, that being at $7. It's not shit. So we'll put it right here. What? Yeah, I see that. It's because it's higher up. I didn't notice how high up this one is. If you ever need that, this mouse is nice because you know the button on the side. Slow it down. There's no way it's already that. Is it? Wow, it is. Exactly. So yeah, we got bam, bam, bam. Those positions put in. This right here is a little dumb. It's more like it. And honestly, if we were to shoot for the move for any of them, beat this guy, so you'd eat better. Yeah, we'll leave it with them too. push up now. It's beautiful. That's what we've been waiting for. I believe the Asian session starting right now. Yep, Asian session is starting in 9 minutes. That's why we're seeing this volume. I already had pre-market manipulation. Now we're gonna have actual market flow. This is no bullshit either. Yeah, like I'm gonna stick to my initial plan as far as not shooting for the moon eye. We have all the other pairs. No. Not being decisive. We're gonna stick it with it. Anybody tuning in? Where you guys from? I like the way everything's lining up on this, so I don't know if you guys noticed, but we just moved the take profit to all equal areas. I'm hacking the markets right now. That's what this is. I'm hacking the fucking markets. Nice. We got one of them right here, which is 1 million. Yeah, 0.010, which is already up a fucking rooney. like I said, we take profit up there, that's going to be the night, you know, that'd be it for the night. I think it is. Might take like partials around here, it depends on how it reacts. But if we get breakthrough through here, by probably right here, and at that point, might take like take profit and look for retrace. After retrace, then I'll jump back in up into this zone, ultimately working back to the downside. We kind of see that same thing going down right here if we look at it. So we have breakthrough, retrace, reload back up, and ultimately to a side, which it goes the opposite way to from. Right here would be more of a realistic take profit, but we may do that and then take profit and wait for the price to go here and then put a buy limit right down here. This is the only time we really use them. Yes, sir, indeed, the gap does being filled. Fuck is all that shit going on, dude? Should be loud as hell. Look at that. At some point, I might bring my laptop over to buddies and still stream, but it depends though if this one falls through, then we'll just be done. Because that's a good, how many percent? That's 5x. It's 500%. 500% when the price goes from here to here. Right? Which was an easy trade from here to here. Okay? Like I said, breakthrough, take profit, comes back down. Buy limit, and then says we sell stop. Ultimately through the grab liquidity, which mine would be right here. Okay, that's crazy. Look, I look down at the time. It is 6:59, 55 seconds from Asian Open. Let's have that shit back programmed now. There we go. On Asian Open, we get the move. We had a pre-market manipulation, and now we're getting an actual move coming in. You don't want that to scare you. So it doesn't really matter if it's like a 5-minute close. Asian Open. If you guys want to see, if you don't believe me. Oh shit. I just put that up. Okay, right here, this shit's in my way. Asian Open. Asian Open commotion. Asian Open commotion. Explosion. I'm telling. We're coasting. always posting. Let's see. Asian session just started, so I'm gonna de-risk for that. I'm thinking right there. Just look at the margin. If we start hitting below all of these, we'll be in some trouble. But like I said, this gap right here is actually too close to not get filled. We're gonna fill that gap. Told you. Asian sessions coming in with some volatility. Like, if you don't even know much about this, you don't need to. You can just wait until there's a gap like this. And then after the gap is formed, you want to wait for market structure shifts. Because I've had, in the past years, I've been learning now go as soon as I see a gap, and it can be the next day. It can be the next day, the next 2 days, the next week till it fills a gap, which I've seen. So this, I just happen to see some bullish market structure on top of the U.S. dollar. And what the U.S. dollar is doing, the U.S. dollar has more downside to come, which I can show you. Asian session is not my favorite session to trade at all. It's actually what I don't want to trade, but I gotta be up at work tomorrow at 6 a.m. So, you know. See, which it does have downside. It does have a gap to fill actually, which I don't like. They both have gaps. But if you also look on the big time frame, they've both been falling. That's not normal. And that immediate one minute. Seeing this right here. I don't like that. That's a shooting star. But it looks like we're getting a 5 minute. The 1 minute doesn't really matter. 5 minutes kosher. Look at how quick we've already made that back. This ain't much, but you take this to that 100, then you take that. The same thing, this is 20, 24, 60, 80, 100, right? Take that 100, that's not 500. Same move, right? And these, we're seeing fighting. I wouldn't be surprised to see a doji candle right here. But look, we got a big ass hammer candle. It's really conflicting because we have a shooting star, hammer candle, a shooting star, hammer candle. So it's back and forth. But sometimes back and forth is a good thing. You have them really fighting and then bust out to one side, which we're beginning to see. Throw in the comments, guys, if you guys can't hear me much at all, or how the stream's going. No offense to you guys, it's probably the deadest one I've done so far, but it's a Sunday night, Easter, and nobody's really sitting here watching. And if you are, thank you very much. Like I said, throw me your information, and you can get the trading lessons for free forever. Only because this is before I'm going full-time. Once I go full-time, it's going to cost money, but only for the people that come afterwards. really confident it's gonna break through that. I know not a lot of moves like to really go through during the agent session, but it's just a matter of events that are going on. Some people are probably going for sales right now, like they just don't understand it. Like, oh, there's no value in this. They just don't care about value. What mostly does not care about the value is this right here. Beautiful. Trade liquidity gaps for a week. Once you learn them, you'll see the biggest change in your entire life. Yo, what's up, YouTube? We're on Kick, Twitch, and YouTube, and YouTube tonight has been outperforming all three. So shout out to you guys. But I don't know if you guys can tell, but we got this first trade going correct. Oh, y'all hearing that band out tonight? Yeah, bro. Pase, kilo. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Look at this though, man. I'm about to fucking run this up. I'm dead ass serious. Look. Watch. I've been going nuts on this shit, man. Like, this is the gap it's gonna fill, which is getting there. Dude, I saw that word and I was like, who the fuck is this? And I looked at the name and I'm like, okay, what's up, man? I'm gonna see. Oh, okay, I'm gonna add you as moderator on YouTube as well. There we go. For tuning in, I got you. What's poppin'? Yeah, but look at it. I'm really working with tiny margin right here, and that's good because we're leveraging it. We're gonna turn it. Check this out. I don't know if you've seen this part when you were as you joined. Bam, the TP on this 54, 92, $7. So you can do math. That's decent. From $20. Fuck as you mean it. Yeah, not just yet, just because I'm Tokyo just opened. Tokyo just opened. Asian, look, I can show you. Asian session just opened. Oh, and Rado asked me, tell me how the quality looks. Turn the quality up on your phone to max quality. I have like everything maxed out, so the stream should look fucking great. What I'm getting to is like right here. So like we just had Tokyo open 10 minutes ago. So I have to at least figure out what Tokyo's doing and watch my trades continue in the right direction. And yeah, and then once, like I said, once TP hits on this, it's gonna be like dinner 200, and that's good. Pay myself back, pay myself for the day, and then also have money to just put in my pocket. Yeah, I apologize. I will leave right now. I apologize, man. I'm not trying to like my sister and Dustin were in town and they didn't go nowhere. So and that was your birthday too. So it's like, fuck. They had me drinking, so I wasn't able to drive. that too. There's no doubts. It's just you take that 2 while it's there. You take that 2 while it's there, and end up going right back. You're seeing a breakthrough and retest, an actual one. The reason it is an actual breakthrough and retest is because for what? It's just 5, yeah. Because it's in the perfect area to do so. Supreme Nation. Our nation, bro said Supreme drop. What's it up? Like y'all. We're not playing no more, boy. I got this shit turned down. Well, then that's my eyes fucked up, but we're not playing. Check that out. See that, y'all? I don't mean to interrupt it, but that's it right there. That's it. I'm showing the stream what's up real quick. Alright, I'm going back. Okay, Mike, so usually you take a video and disconnect some music. I see that. I want to check here. I bet that looks decent. We can call it the preview right here. It's really nice. It looks decent. Sorry, I'm just checking out the how it looks on the preview. Turn this up to max as well, and then check it out. Okay, quality's not bad. It's decent. I was just checking the quality from the guys. That's probably decent. It's pretty decent. There we go. Look at that. Who would have ever thought? I'm sitting here saying it's gonna fill the gap. Hey, happy B-Day in the chat to Rado. My boy Rado is moderator in here. Happy B-Day to Rado. See that? Look at how fucking beautiful this shit is. Look at how fucking beautiful this shit is. God. That right there is called compounding your lot size, compounding your position. once you do that, look, this is how I for real first started my first few years with 10 grand a day before leaving 8-hour shift at work. The compound, but more or less it was heading into my direction, almost on like a unlikely type of way. But now I'm just doing it to my target, so this is doable. And like I showed you, with me adding on that lot size, potentially another 72. So yeah, that's why you want to compound your damn positions as you go up, because it will literally start rocking. So we're looking for, like, we could hit that main golden night real fast if we just compound the lot sizes and just get out on one grab of liquidity. I meant like from the one grab of liquidity to the next. Because this right here, guys, is called trendline liquidity. It's not a swing high or swing low, it's trendline liquidity. You can technically say this is no, it's not even a swing high. Swing high is right here. Yeah, for free to throw shit in the chat. Usually we get shit rocking. Throw that for you guys too. Wow, that goes away when you do that. It's pretty beautiful. Oh well. What's up, Cake? No, Cake's outperforming all three. How y'all doing? Throw a follow. Yeah, we're as far as Cake, we're 5 more away from the 10 goal on that. Asian session started. Ever since Asian session started, we've had some good movement. That's why you want to wait till the beginning of sessions. Now our move is actually going in our direction. We're going to fill that gap. A responsible take profit would be right after that gap fills, but I'm going to be the take profit and or stop loss when that gap fills. If I see a bad rejection, I'm gone. Right here you can hit close all and you can close all your shit in one button. But with the circumstances, I cannot see that just bouncing right down for how close that gap is and how much momentum it's going to approach it. So I'm getting messages. There we go, guys. There we go. Stream's not been terribly long so far. Let me see. I'm gonna see how long I've been waiting for this. This doesn't really tell me. I know what Twitch was, so we'll pop Twitch up. An hour and 30 minutes. So yeah, that's why that shit pays well. Because one, you get the skill set. Two, you gotta invest your fucking time afterwards, just chilling, waiting an hour and 30 minutes. And also during that hour and 30 minutes, I got within certain zones that I had to really, really de-risk, or else I was get zero. So, and make it look easy, but I'm down. You guys have any questions? I'll teach you guys. As you guys see this right now, in 20, we're going well towards take profit. We hit that take profit, man. We're fucking rocking and rolling from $20. You do the same thing. I don't want to do math. You can do the math. It's like, yeah, you do the same with 1,000, and that's thousands. What's up, Twitch? What's up, Twitch, y'all? If you guys find value in this, I'd appreciate a follow. We are 1 away from our 10 goal for the actual month. We've been working hard. We do 40 hours a week. And yeah, you can copy the same trade and I'll teach you guys as well. We're right now just filling this gap. On top of filling this gap, we have this grab of liquidity, which is right here. I can see it on the 30-minute clearly. Right here is take of liquidity. Look, it even happened right here last time. We had to take the liquidity down here. Right here even. We had a big push down. A really good area of liquidity. So we have to take liquidity. That's my main thing behind it. But there's a bunch of other shit as well. I'm gonna head to the restroom, guys. Comfortable to what direction it's going in. You guys can watch the trade for me. Watch the trade for me, bro. Please. Feels good to know liquidity. I'm down to teach you as well. Damn. Sorry about that. Hey, if the audio is ever out again, please throw in the chat or something, guys. Sorry about that. I was talking, I was explaining something, and the audio was not connected to what I was saying was. So if you ever see something like this, look into liquidity big time, because you'll think that you know liquidity and you don't. And it's not talking down anybody. You just have to learn it. With this type of liquidity, why it sits outside. This right here is a swing low. You almost want to call it a trend line liquidity, but there's not necessarily a trend line. It's a swing low because it's outside of the previous lows, right? And it's in the area of consolidated, and it's an area of previous consolidation and also reactions from. So I put the line there. I went and double checked, look back. Yes, about. Then you go in here. I was watching after that. Had my bull sentiment. Coming in here, I see the gap down at the beginning of the market. You see a gap down on Sunday evening. On top of all of a few more confluences, it's a really high profitable trade. So that's why I'm compounding these and working this shit hard. Yeah, right now I'm using Woo Mic. I'll put you guys on. It's called Woo Mic, and I have it plugged in through. I have Woo Mic plugged into here on OBS. You go like this and hit Woo Mic as the input. But I'm only saying that because with my phone, if I fucking go and watch a video or something, some people are sending videos. If I watch a video, it will disconnect. So just remind me if it does. I'm not trying to fuck you guys over anymore. Or fuck me over, got wasting bread. Both of us. But we're checking. This is just one of those little dips in the stream. It goes through waves. You guys sticking around, thank you. Just share, comment, subscribe, do what you need to do. We're growing. That's all that matters. If we just consistently grow. My main goal is to teach foreign exchange, so I can do that by growing. That's why I'm running. Yo, sorry about that. I was just taking a call. See how this is going so far. From here, sometimes I like to lock in profits. We're not running high volume, so sometimes I like to, because we're really over leveraged, but it really depends what it does in this area. Because we can easily go like this for a minute and then go up and fill the gap, so we gotta watch. Because if it starts to do that, we'll just take this little easy 8, which ain't much, but if you're working with 28 in a few minutes, that percentage, that's what I'm looking for. If you can't run 5 up to a million, you can't run a fucking 1,000 to a million.
Hi, did you score your seatbelt last night? There they go. Kids didn't know the country, so that's what we do. Oh my gosh, Santa, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. We're gonna have this moment right now, but I was thinking, I know I remember you telling me the day in March and that's the last night. I
All right, we see that right there. So right, as soon as you see that, at least just lock in a couple like that. Normally what happens. Lock in a couple and keep some ammo. We could very easily will see a fucking see this bitch whip around, but we'll see. See, I'm gonna have this ready. Sorry guys, I'm just getting some shit figured out. See, that's why I didn't jump in shit. See, might do exactly what I said. Just have that little retracement. I'm going back right now. I'm back right now like that. I believe this right here is, yeah. Copy what you just saw right there, y'all. And learn from it. Don't just copy it to try to make money off it. Copy and learn from it. That way you can continue to make money off it. When it went up, we saw a little rejection down. We ended up taking them so that way we weren't break even. They were like right here. Then we jump back in. And there's a decent fee on this, I believe. Yeah, a $2.94 fee, which is major. But that being said, check that out. See what we just kind of worked there? We would have compounded. We took that, and then we waited for it to fall a little more, jump back in, and now look at the TP. Literally took that shit and turned it into something. And so, yeah. motherfucker brighter than fuck. I don't know how people do that. Like I said, shit. If I could turn my laptop around and show you guys, this shit is brighter than fuck. I literally don't know how streamers do it. I can't. I get mad at lights. Look at that. So, full take profits are set. I'm my own stop loss right now. If I'm going in lower risk, new stop loss, it's okay. But as you understand liquidity, stop losses are a victim of liquidity. They are. Stop losses are liquidity's made to take out people and hit their stop loss. But yeah, you guys gotta throw a W in the chat or something for this fucking trade. Look at this shit. Quite major. Even if, like, since this trade's bad right now, we don't even need to be greedy. Since we compounded it, we got it to the area that we were kind of looking for. From up here, we got it already down there. So that's alright. It's just a matter of time. We already waited, so we have it coming in now. If it was New York session, I would definitely probably target here. And honestly, we're trading Asian. We're sticking to our plans. I said since we're trading Asian, we're gonna be out quick. So literally, if you guys are doing the trade, literally the most probable take profit would be here. That's like damn near 100% gonna happen. Literally, this is damn near 100% gonna happen. After the change in market structure and now looking at it, that's alright. You know. Look at that, y'all. What did I say when we started the stream? And I don't know how earlier we're trading some gay ass Bitcoin and there's more people watching it. I'm not hating on Bitcoin, but it just does not move like this. This shit actually moves, man. Why trade something that's not moving? Alright, you guys, we're gonna have to put a quick break to the stream. I'm just gonna transfer all my shit over. So yeah, we're gonna cut the streams for a minute, and then we'll be back. I'm gonna throw. The good thing about the laptop is I can just toss it in my motherfucking backpack and get the fuck on out. So we'll do that.